Hey guys, Richard Laidler here. I just wanted to give you some directions if you're driving to the training on September the 21st. So at the moment, so basically the training is right off the Dallas North Toll Road. I am on the toll road heading north right now, so I can show you the actual turnoff. So I'm on the toll road. Okay, these are the buildings going by. There's the chase over here. So again, I'm heading from 635 heading north. And as you can see, my turnoff here is Beltline and Arapahoe. I'll try and speed some of this up as well, so you're not having to see me just watch and drive on the road. But that's it over there. All right. Alright, so I'm heading north, and I'm going to do a U-turn because this is where most of you are going to be coming. But if you are coming from up there, from the north heading south, then take the Beltline exit and you come off here, around here. Okay, so I'm now on the slip road heading south. As you can see, Verdi Valley left, Quorum right. We're going straight still. We're going past. You see Lowry's restaurant there. And look for this. That's our building, but this is the turnoff right here. Okay, pulling. Here's the Ascension restaurant where it's going to be closed. We're actually in this building here. Again, sorry this is a little bit long-winded, but much better this and you knowing where to go, right? So, go on. There should be plenty of parking here on Saturday morning, but if not, there is. You can go around the back, around the other side of the building, over there, around the back there, and around the other side. And you can park in there and come in the double doors. Come in here and in here, and if you go around the other side, those are the doors that will be coming in. And this is where we're training, right here. Okay, it's locked right now, but you'll be coming in here and we'll be training in there. So there you go, and just for reference, that's a common desk over there. As I say, the parking on the other side of the building is over there. But that hopefully should give you directions how to get here. All right, guys, I will see you on, I'll see you on September the 21st. See you now, guys. Bye-bye.